I'm Mihim Dakshita. I have a secret for you. Everyone says children are like flowers. They beautify the entire world. Dear friends, it's our day. It's our world. It's our time. I wish you happy Children's Day. Let's have fun. Hi friends, do you know this? This is a tree. The tree has roots. The tree has a trunk. The tree has branches. The tree has flowers. The tree has fruits. The tree has leaves. Do you know the uses of trees? Trees give us oxygen. Trees give us shade. Trees give us fruit. Trees give us woods. Trees give us firewoods. So friends, I'm waiting for your videos.